Okay, so as you're doing the exercise, you're going to see some data pull up here. What this is, so that is your, right in here, that is the amount of force you're actually producing. And what you'll see is on the way down, so on the lowering phase, the eccentric phase, you'll be much stronger than you are on the way up, which is on the known as the positive phase. So that is your force. We indicate the maximum force, the current time you're under, the amount of work you're doing. The amount of work is actually mechanical tension that we can measure. That is this guy climbing up the mountain. So that is the mountain climber is based on the amount of work that you did from your previous workout. If you've never done a workout before, there will be no, he'll fly right to the top. But as it gets to know you and understand your data, then boom, you're going to use this as a couple things. It's going to help guide you to the top. So your goal is, I want to get my mountain climber to the top, and you'll see here in a minute how to plant your flag. Boom, that plant, if you still got gas in the tank, keep going. If you still have time left, please keep going. Okay, the timer here, which is going to count you down. You're going to hear a beep at 15 seconds, okay? And then you're going to hear a series of beep at the last 10 seconds. That is really critical that you understand that those are keys to help you keep going. And then, Will, I want you to keep going, because at the end, here's something really fun, is if it'll actually keep going into what we call overtime, and it will go into a static position. So the machine will quit moving, and you won't be doing a robotic repetition anymore, but you can actually do a static contraction. And that will allow you to really burn out and get to true muscular failure if that is your goal.